Welcome, retail traders. I want to talk about a stock that had a real good pop today, and I had a lot of fun with it. NURO, and we're running here after hours, and I'm going to go ahead and bring the chart up. They did get some news today, which caused the momentum to carry on this stock, and its neurometric stock surges as its nerve stimulator scores FDA breakthrough destination for fibromyalgia. So this one I think can still pick up the momentum, and we could probably trade this for the rest of the week, or at least until tomorrow and maybe the day after. We're going to go ahead and pull up the chart and have a good look at it. She had a real nice breakout here this morning. I called the volume. I said we're up, something's up. I looked at the news. It looked like good news, so I jumped in the trade pre-market right around 384 while I was out working. Came home and sold it, and then I started seeing the pattern, and we went ahead and took the trade, and she ran all the way up. I showed you the little chart. Oh man, I erased the chart of all the trades that I had in here. Yeah, we had some nice calls, and there's a lot of witnesses that saw us do it. So we're going to try to find some supports on this. In fact, let me see if I can. Yeah, I'll just go ahead and draw these. We've got a support line right here at 1126, and we've got another one right here at 1211, and then we've got the final one right down here, which probably needs to hold right under $10. Now it can pull back and bounce off this 200 SMA, which I demonstrated a good trade on it earlier today, and we had a nice little run on it, and man, it was beautiful. And she ran all the way up, and then she went ahead and broke out. By that time I was out of the trade. Got back in it on the dip, sold it again. So we're back here at the support right now. This is the first one. The second one's going to be this 200, somewhere in here between that. Then your third one's going to be probably at the beginning of this ascending triangle at 1069, and then a stronger buy if it does reach on down to these lower areas. If we do get a knife or an offering or something, the strong buy is going to be just right under $10. But always remember that $10 is a real solid mental support. I had right here, I had a 1008, I think it was 1008 resistance that had to break, and that's what we got. So we hold this, we're going to move on up. This thing can go a lot higher. I've got a couple, I got $20 I think on this thing, 21. Let me look back here on the yearly, see if I can pull it up on the 3-year. So yeah, I've got these two targets. Just in case we break this 1373, we could see this $20. If it does pick up the momentum tomorrow, people start piling on it. The volume on this was unbelievable. And this is a low float. I mean, this really had a lot of volume. A lot of volume. Now, if you look at the 3-year, it could pull back to the 737. So I'm always using them moving averages. But the next resistance, if we break past that 1373, which we did, 2063, and then 28 bucks. I know it sounds a little sketchy. It probably is. I'm still in the trade, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. I scaled out. I just have a small position. So we'll just see. We got an ascending triangle. We got a flags. I mean, this thing had everything today behind it. So keep it on watch, and let's see what we can get out of it tomorrow. Retail traders, have a great day. Don't forget this. I told you about this one last week. I said, watch this coming week. We're going to have us a good time. Been a good week so far. So we'll see you in the morning.